Today, drone warfare has become very important for any country, for any force not to have any drone, especially the kamikaze drones would be a lesser thing. Any force would love to have those kind of drones which can go in the enemy territory and blast off and achieve the desired target without any collateral damage. So there are many private companies who are developing such technologies. I am being joined by Mr. Abhinav from Johnnette
Johnnette yes.
Technology. So Johnnette Technologies developed this kamikaze drone. I would like to showcase. Please tell us, Abhinav, about your drone technology which you have developed.
So
the innovations.
So this drone right now was designed for the Indian Army. It has a range of 17 kilometers and it can carry a payload, that is the munition of 500 grams, which is good enough to blast a tank. After which we are developing a similar version. This is a scaled down version. A bigger version will be available for the Indian Navy that can be launched off ships. So the launcher that you see is a pneumatic launcher that works on air pressure.
Okay.
And the one which we are...
What is the endurance and flight time?
Endurance for this bird is 60 minutes. The next version for the Navy, the naval version is 2.5 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, with a range of 55 kilometers.
This can go 55 kilometers?
This can go up to 17 kilometers. The next version will go up to 55 kilometers.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there are other drones also which you have
Yes.
developed? What is this?
So this is the JF2 drone, Johnnette JF2. This is a hand-launched fixed-wing version, a low-cost alternative for smart surveillance. So this drone can be launched by your hand by anyone. Like the photo you see of on the tank, it can be launched off tanks also. And this drone is mainly used for ISR functions. And this has a range of 10 kilometers and it has multiple payloads, that is day payload as well as a night infrared camera payload.
So I want to tell us about your drones. Are they being inducted or any?
Yes, so this drone has been validated by the Western Command of the Indian Army, and we have done trials, multiple trials over a span of 1 year, after which successfully we have demonstrated all their requirements, and now there's a RFP that is going to soon come out for this bird. Yeah.
Wonderful. How long your enterprise is working, Johnnette Technology?
So we started off 7 years back. We were a bootstrap company. We also had a commercial angle to our whole drone enterprise, which is called Indian Institute of Drones. Mm-hmm. So that was owned by us, where we taught commercial training. Mm-hmm. And after which we got funded recently, our first series of funding, after which we could promulgate and push our speed at which we are innovating.
So, Mr. Prime Minister Modi would be visiting your stall today.
Yes.
Have any message for youngsters, and how excited are you about this?
I'm very excited because of the entire indigenization, Make in India push that is giving us so much of opportunities to display our own technology instead of buying technology from outside.
Wonderful. Thank you for speaking to National Defense, Abhinav. Wish you good luck.
Thank you so much.